It's Lyn from Lyn's Crafts Designs. Today I'm coming by to talk about gold leafing or metal leafing. Gold leafing is just a term that we use rather loosely for any metallic leafing. Now the metallic leafing is so fine you don't want fans or air conditioning, or you don't even want to breathe hard because it's that light. The first thing I want to talk about is resin, which I know that's not what you're here for. You're here for polymer clay. But when I pour resin, especially on the backs of these clear or sort of clear, as you can see, this one is not clear, but it would be clear if I put another layer of resin on, or even just a clear coat. But when you take the back of those clear resins, now on the back of these I did color with alcohol markers. These are the not the Cricut, but the other one. Anyway, if you color on them with alcohol, let that dry, and then I'll put a thin coat of a clear glue. Now I would use a leafing adhesive, but I don't happen to have any, so with like a crackle accents, a glossy accents, something like that, let it tack up, let it get kind of tacky, and then you can put the, in this case, the silver leafing on the back, and it really reflects that color up into the resin. It's really pretty. Now, of course, you could do that with the resin and just put another layer on the back of a colored resin. You can even do it with UV resins. But as you can see, I've got quite a few of these. These are just my unfinished pieces. It's kind of pretty. Alright, so that's just with the resin. That one was with the gold, as a matter of fact. But with polymer clay, the metal leafing will stick to the raw clay without using any adhesive. This, let's see, is the Red Blaze. Happens to be the only thing copper that I have. But I do have gold and silver. And I believe these were the Mona Lisa flakes. I can't swear to that, but I'm pretty sure. But you can use the sheets. You don't have to use the flakes. Now, these in particular have some larger sheets. Now, the only reason you care about getting it in its individual sheets, because in reality the sheets don't stick to each other. They just stick to each other out of static cling. There's nothing that keeps them held together other than this surface tension. So you'll see what I mean. Here, I'm so sorry. Here there is evidently 2 layers of the metal leafing. Even where they overlap one another, they do not want to stick to themselves. Okay. Just got a really fine brush, and I'm using a light stippling motion. Alright. Now, once I've got it pretty much coated everywhere, if I could quit breathing on it might help. I just want to give it a quick burnish, so to speak, with this brush. Okay, then I just want to pick back up the pieces, squeeze the air out. Now, pretend that doesn't say that. This is just an old amazing mold putty. Reuse. That's what I keep my flakes in. They can't get out. And trust me, no matter what you do. Okay, here they are out of the oven. All cooled down and everything. Now, if you wanted to highlight them, just a little antiquing, a little wash antiquing. Really watered down with water and just let it run, and it'll pool in the details. If you used regular acrylic paint without watering it down, you would be likely to rub some of the details off when you went to rub the acrylic paint off. Anyway, once it's dry with the wash, just a coat of sealer and you should be good to go. And the only reason you need sealer is because this could scratch off really easy. Okay? Alright. That is hopefully it for these metal look on polymer clay. If you can think of anything that I haven't thought of, leave it in the comments. Alright, if you got any valuable information out of this video whatsoever, please like, share, and subscribe. All my social media links are listed below. Remember, I'm participating in the Polymer Clay Virtual Workshop 2020 this year, so if you're registered, be looking for that. Bye for now.